Simmer gently. Understanding a common culinary phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, especially in cooking contexts: simmer gently. This video will help you understand not only what it means but also how to use it in your everyday English conversations. Let's get started. Simmer gently is a culinary term that is often used in recipes and cooking shows. To simmer means to cook a liquid at a temperature that is just below boiling. When a liquid simmers, you'll see small bubbles forming and gently rising to the surface, but it's not boiling vigorously. The word gently in this phrase emphasizes the need for a very low and careful heat. So, when a recipe instructs you to simmer gently, it means to cook the liquid or the food in it slowly and steadily, without letting it boil too hard. Simmering gently is a crucial cooking technique because it allows flavors to meld and ingredients to cook thoroughly without the risk of burning or overcooking. This method is often used for soups and stews, to blend flavors and tenderize meat, sauces, to thicken them and concentrate the flavors, delicate foods, such as fish or eggs, which might fall apart or become tough if boiled too vigorously. Understanding how to simmer gently can elevate your cooking skills and help you make more delicious dishes. Let's see how simmer gently can be used in sentences. 1. After adding the tomatoes, let the sauce simmer gently for 30 minutes. 2. Make sure to simmer the soup gently to avoid overcooking the vegetables. 3. I turned down the heat to let the mixture simmer gently. These examples show the practical application of the term in cooking-related contexts. I hope this video has clarified what simmer gently means and how you can use it in your culinary adventures or English conversations about cooking. Remember, it's all about low heat and patience to achieve those perfect flavors. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.